Alright, I'm going to show you how to fix updates showing but no channels being suggested down below. So you tap on the update segment right there, like this, tap right there, and then you don't see this channels option being shown here. Okay, this is the right video for you. So hit the subscribe button for tech videos and let's get started. One thing that you need to do first is make sure you go to your phone settings. Quick, go to your phone settings. Now you're going to look for what they call, definitely you're going to look for the applications. Okay, scroll down and look for application irrespective of the phone you have. Tap on apps, and then now here, this is what you got to do. You're going to search for WhatsApp. Okay, so you have WhatsApp Business, WhatsApp. So go and select WhatsApp, the normal WhatsApp Messenger, and then this is where you're going to first tap forward stop, and then you're going to press OK. Yes, and then after that you're going to tap on storage, and then you're going to see on clear cache. Tap clear cache. Yeah. So after you have done that, head back to WhatsApp and then tap on the updates and scroll down and see if you have these channels right there. So you'll find your channels, you can find more, follow. No, that's it. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.